It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 6th of December. This is James Spann. A frigid morning across the state, the coldest so far this season. Cold again tonight. Then we warm up over the weekend, and then a good beneficial rain event for the state early next week. That rain probably starting late Sunday or Sunday night. So here we go. The upper air look this morning, same old situation we've seen for the past couple of weeks. A big ridge pumped up in the west, a big downstream trough in the east. And radar showing very little precipitation around the country this morning. Got some scattered snow bands up north. So these are temperatures this morning about 5 o'clock. And again, these will come down a degree or two between now and, say, 6:30. But look at those upper teens. And again, these are not wind chill indices. These are air temperatures. 18 for Cullman, 19 for Haleyville, 20 for Aniana, Winfield 21, Huntsville at 20. To the south, Montgomery below freezing at 30. And again, we've got mid-30s at Dothan and Mobile, but I think by 6 or 6:30, those numbers will probably come down to freezing. So for just about everybody, the coldest morning so far this season. There's the watch warning map. Very quiet day across the country. No severe storms expected today. There could be some thunder over the southern half of Texas, back into southern parts of New Mexico and Arizona. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder in Texas. Again, nothing severe. And on day 3, which is Sunday, the chance of a few isolated storms, mainly west of Alabama. But again, severe storms are not expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And again, the numbers are coming up. We'll take that. Look at that. Rain amounts around 3 inches for much of the state. And this will be between late Sunday and early Wednesday. We'll see waves of rain for the first part of next week. And that's a good thing because this is the new drought monitor that came out yesterday, if you missed it. And about 70% of the state still in drought conditions. And then again, you can see that small area with an extreme drought up in the Tennessee Valley, parts of Madison and Limestone counties. So we'll take that rain. Here we go, model fans. The GFS, the 06Z run. Valid today at 3 o'clock. Big trough in the east. Got an upper low that's developing south of Phoenix, and that will be slowly lifting out. That'll be a big player in the rain we see early next week. But again, today just cold and dry. Sunny, highs in the 40s today. So this is tomorrow. And again, early in the day will be cold. Lows in the 20s in most spots. And then we warm up into the 50s. The sky will be mostly sunny. A pretty nice day to start the weekend. Sunday, clouds will increase and rain will likely begin to push into West Alabama during the afternoon hours. And then rain becoming widespread by Sunday night. The high Sunday will be in the 50s for most locations. And then Monday, the GFS here showing the better chance of rain over the southern half of the state. But we'll mention periods of rain statewide. And the weather should be pretty mild with 60s on Monday, like a tropical heat wave. Same thing on Tuesday, cloudy with periods of rain. Highs in the 60s, and there might be a little thunder in spots, but that's not a severe weather look. And, here comes the next cold air shot on Wednesday. The latest guidance from really both global models suggesting the rain will be ending early Wednesday, and Wednesday could be pretty cold. Look at those thickness values plunging. Temperatures could hold in the 30s over the northern part of Alabama, if this is right. 40s for South Alabama. And again, rain should end early in the day. And we don't expect any issues with ice or anything like that, just much colder. This is Thursday of next week. We go below freezing again in the 20s to start the day. The high Thursday, upper 40s and low 50s. And a week from today, Friday the 13th of December, flow is zonal and we are dry. Lows in the upper 20s and low 30s, highs getting back in the 50s. Let's keep going. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 15th of December, out there at mid-month. Got a ridge on the East Coast for a change and a new trough to the west. And if this is right, we're dry with rain and thunderstorms off to the west. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean is up there a little over 2 inches between now and the 21st of December. We have seen other runs that show more. Temperatures, the old roller coaster ride. We go from 43 for a high today into the mid-60s early next week on Monday and Tuesday, and then right back in the 40s by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And look at here. This is the latest 8 to 14-day guidance, December 13th through the 19th. Could it be the pattern relaxes and flips a little bit, allowing for temperatures to go above average? That's the idea. We'll see if that works out. Up north, what do we have here? This is Michigan. What do we have here? Snow rollers. Yes, very windy a couple of nights ago. And when you got a good snow cover over an open field, occasionally these things just start to roll. And those are snow rollers. You don't see those down here that often. How about Nakalula Falls? Christmas at the Falls last night. A cold night, but that's the way it ought to be this time of the year. And how about this yesterday? Got a veil of cirrostratus clouds. Those are ice crystals, and they create some really cool sky optics, especially with the lower sun angle this time of the year. You can see the 22-degree sun halo, sun dogs to the left and right of the sun, and an upper tangent arc up on top of the halo. Love cool sky optics like that. All right, so today going to be up in Marion County at Brilliant Elementary School for a weather program, and then midday today be speaking to our winners of the Teacher of the Month Award. So I guess we'll have 12 teachers there, sponsored by Drummond Company. I'd love to encourage teachers, a great program. They have a thankless job, but they're just great. Looking forward to seeing them. This evening I'll be at the Toys for Tots 30-hour drive. We'll be at the Walmart on Highway 150 in Hoover at 4, 5, and 6 o'clock. And tomorrow, a book signing in Jasper, Walker County, Lavish Coffee Bar from 10 to 1. Hey, this is your chance, all right? It's Christmas time here. If you got somebody in the family that likes weather, you need to come see us. We got some good stuff. Those T-shirts they have are incredible. Of course, all of our children's books, everything else. It'll be there from 10 until 1. We take a lot of pictures. We have a lot of fun. Hope to see many of you there. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday, and God bless.